Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O king, when such a mystic passes over the Milky Way by the illuminating Susumna to reach the highest planet Brahmaloka, he goes first to Vaishvanara, the planet of the deity of fire, wherein he becomes completely cleansed of all contaminations, and thereafter he still goes higher, to the circle of Shishumara, to relate with Lord Hari, the personality of Godhead. The polar star of the universe and the circle thereof is called the Shishumara circle, and therein the local residential planet of the personality of Godhead, Kshirodakashayi Vishnu, is situated. Before reaching there, the mystic passes over the Milky Way to reach Brahmaloka, and while going there he first reaches Vaishvanara Lok, where the demigod controls fire. On Vaishvanara Lok, the yogi becomes completely cleansed of all dirty sins acquired while in contact with the material world. The Milky Way in the sky is indicated herein as the way leading to Brahmaloka, the highest planet of the universe.